the most anticipated album of all time, the #1 most streamed song ever, Daft Punk, Random Access Memories. And now, they take off their masks.
Hey guys!
Hey, hi, we're Daft Punk.
Hey, hi!
Hey, we write the best music.
Yeah, it's good, everybody likes it.
The most extraordinary musicians of a generation. What are their inspirations? We asked Daft Punk.
What are our inspirations? Wait, let me think.
Sometimes when I'm in the bathroom, I'll just start singing a song.
Oh yeah, and I'm like, hey, what is that? That sounds pretty good.
And I'm like, hold on, I'm pooping.
I'm like, I think I got it. Beep, boop, boop, boop,
Buzz,
beep,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop,
buzz.
beep, boop, boop,
Buzz,
beep,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop,
buzz,
boop, boop, and then it's in the album.
What's it like being Daft Punk? What's it like being under the mask?
So happy to be out of that mask.
It's hard to eat in the mask.
Yeah, I get food all over myself.
Smells bad in the helmet. It smells like burps.
Mine too. It made my skin real bad.
We asked them, what are some of your favorite Random Access memories?
One time, I saw a dog and I was like, what's he doing? Turns out he was just digging a hole.
Yeah, I remember that. That's a good memory.
What's in the future for Daft Punk?
Man, I don't know.
Maybe I'll go see a movie, or, well, they're kind of long. It's hard to follow them.
I want to take a nap, I think.
Oh, yeah, nap sounds great.
I'm tired. We made a good album.
Yeah, it's got robots.
Yeah, and beeps and boops.
And then I got like a German guy talk for 10 minutes.
The legend, Daft Punk, Random Access Memories. Available now.
Yeah, beep, boop, boop, robots.